Hey there! So imagine you're helping out a friend with their computer, and the installation of Windows 10 didn't quite go as planned. The important files were safely tucked away in the Windows.old folder, but the system isn't booting up properly. Luckily, you still have access to the command line and managed to move some of those files to an external USB. To prevent the impending deletion of the folder, you decided to rename it to SavedFiles. Now, here comes the tricky part. Does renaming the Windows.old folder really prevent its deletion when the system is refusing to boot up properly? Let's dive into the solution to this interesting problem. The solution lies in changing the conservation period of the Windows.old folder. By using the command -sm online set os uninstall window value 60, you can extend the grace period to a maximum of 60 days, giving you more time to work with the files securely stored in the folder. This method is highly recommended as it overcomes some potential issues with renaming the folder. Remember, some files might be owned by the trusted installer account and could pose problems during deletion. Additionally, there are symbolic links within the folder that are crucial for the Windows setup stability. So, take the safer route by maximizing the conservation period and selectively copying the necessary files to another location, leaving the rest in Windows.old to be cleared out after 60 days. A smart move indeed. To wrap it up, extending the conservation period to the maximum of 60 days using the command provided is the safest bet when dealing with a problematic Windows installation. It ensures that you have ample time to safeguard your important files before deciding on the final cleanup. Remember, it's always better to play it safe when it comes to handling system files. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech dilemmas you're facing. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!